How to change your YouTube channel name. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your YouTube channel name. For that, you want to open the YouTube app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Before you change your channel name, there is something you need to know. If your account is verified, which means you have a blue tick badge, then changing your YouTube channel name is going to remove that because the new channel name is not going to be verified. Now that you know this, let's begin. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the view channel option. Now you want to tap on this pencil icon to edit your channel. It's going to bring you to the channel settings. You have your current name over here. Go ahead and tap on this pencil icon. Then you simply want to erase your old name and then type in your new name. Once you have edited your new channel name, you want to tap on the save option. But before you do that, remember you can change your name twice in 14 days. You will not be able to do that more than 2 times in 14 days. Once you tap on the save option, you want to wait for a couple of seconds. Now simply refresh your channel, and as you can see, your channel name has been successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.